Hi, I'm Saujanya Ramneni. We are working in a Bharat institutions, and my project title is COVID virtual medication during COVID-19. Uh, and my team name is 1690 IMP06. Here, the problem which I identified how my chatbot can be useful for non-COVID patients to get some basic medication, and also I created some awareness in the COVID. Along with this, I also given some dietary plans which they have to follow when they fall into sick. And that when it comes to the tools, I used one of the IBM service tool which is related to artificial intelligence, that is Watson Assistant. With the help of Watson Assistant and including HTML code, I have developed this code. And I'm showing here architecture preview. In this architecture preview, user is entering his inputs and how the machine is responded with that conversation, with that queries. I'm showing the implementation part here. It is here I'm showing the part of my code, some kind of how the intents has been given, and how the definition, COVID definition, I have created. The code structure of my entire project is welcome and anything else. These are the two basic default nodes which I have considered. In between, I created many nodes like illness checker and some dietary plans and creating awareness. Thank you all. Hi, I'm Saujanya Ramneni. We are working in a Bharat. Here I'm trying to check the output in Google from Google Chrome. Uh, as soon as I entered my preview link in Google, it is opening my chatbot. Here it is showing I am a healthcare chatbot assistant. So as soon as I entered my name, it is calling the conversation. In the conversation, it has included my name. My chatbot is calling with my name. Now I'm trying to retrieve the tablets which are curing the fever, cold, cough, and body pains and headache. So as soon as I retrieve the tablets, uh, which will be helpful for curing all these kind of basic medical health issues. I'm trying to retrieve the details of dietary plans because I thought along with the medicine, dietary plan also very important to cure the health problem. So I can retrieve the dietary plans. Even the user can choose his own choice, like solid food or liquid food, or some kind of fruits, vegetables, non-veg, any kind of dietary food he can retrieve from chatbot. So once the user has entered liquid food, directly the assistant will assist with liquid food. After that, it is saying mm, both are greeting each other with thank you, bye, like that. So finally, I have given stay home, stay